Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites: Android Studio, Android SDK, and a matching Java JDK. Once those are present, open SDK Manager and install an Android system image and platform tools. This gives you the emulator runtime. Then create an AVD, choose Device, API Level, x86 image so you have a target. Make sure a DB is visible in path so React Native tooling can talk to the emulator. These steps get you ready to launch and link your app. Once done with setup, start the AVD from the AVD Manager and wait for full boot. A cold boot may be slower but ensures a clean state. Next, from your React Native project, root run npx React Native run Android to build and install the APK to the emulator. Make sure Metro Bundler is running. If not, start it manually. Use a DB devices to confirm the emulator is listed, and use a DB Logcat or Android Studio Logcat to diagnose build. To finish, optimize your loop. Enable hot reload or fast refresh in the React Native dev menu so UI updates land instantly. Tune the emulator by allocating more RAM/CPU or enabling hardware acceleration, Haxam on Intel, Hypervisor on AMD to speed builds. If installation or instrumentation fails, wipe AVD data and cold boot, then clean Gradle clean and rebuild. This often clears stale caches. Key troubleshooting tip: always inspect a DB Logcat and Gradle console output to pinpoint native vs JavaScript failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.